Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Integration Facility of MetalWorm, a company specializing in robotic additive manufacturing technologies as an original equipment manufacturer. My name is Ahmet. I work here as Representative Business Development and Sales Engineer. Today, I'm very glad to introduce you one of our latest special systems about to be delivered to one of the university in Malaysia. Let's have a look at the system itself. We have designed it this time as an open cell because it will be established in a room. In the system, we have robotic equipment, process equipment, film extraction system, sensors, cameras, software solutions, control automation, and safety units. There are two in-house made stations behind me, one on the positioner, which has rotary and tilt axis, and the other on the welding table. For seamless production, we have in-house developed software solutions. Using the console, you can plan the process, monitor, and control it. For example, during the production, there are various data that we gathered from the sensors and cameras, so that you can see them on the screen as they change. For more detailed information, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching this video.